There are places you visit, and there are places you step into before the world discovered them. Welcome to Pompano Beach. For years, South Florida has been defined by Miami, but the smart capital is already moving north. And what's happening here right now is not just growth, it's transformation. This is Wilmary de Lima, and welcome to my channel, where I'm gonna be introducing you different projects around Miami. And my channel used to be in Spanish. Right now, we're discovering a new word in English. Come with me to visit W at Pompano Beach. This is not just another building. This is 4 acres of oceanfront development positioned on one of the most important corners in all of Pompano Beach. A fully integrated ecosystem, private residence, a luxury hotel experience, and a convention center just in front of the beach. This is the best place to live or to invest right now in Pompano Beach. We have here 2 beautiful towers. On this lane, we have a residential tower. On this side, we have the hotel tower. These are going to be 24 floors in total, but they have a difference. In the residential part of the tower, you're going to be able to declare your unit as a homestead, as your primary residence, which means that you're also going to be able to rent it out twice a year, minimum 6 months a year. Hotel, you're going to be able to rent it out all the time you want and to use it as well. Listen up, this is very important. So Related is so confident about this project that for the person who are interested on buying a hotel unit in here, they're going to be able to get a 10% lease back. You're going to get a unit just like this if you buy a hotel unit here at W Pompano Beach. This is the second smallest unit they have available for the hotel building. And it's amazing, guys. Look at this. It comes just like this. Everything furnished. So we have bar, we have a living room, we have 2 beautiful queen beds, we have this area desk. Everything just looks like a W hotel around the globe. In here, we're gonna have a dryer and washing machine. In here, we have a closet. In this area, we have a beautiful bathroom, and we have a kitchen. So you're gonna be able to either use this unit or rent it out. And you're gonna be able to choose if you wanna rent it with Bomboy, which everybody knows around the globe. So you're gonna be able to own a unit at W Pompano Beach, and Bomboy can rent it out for you. So this is a great opportunity. A unit like this, the starting price is $800,000. So if you're looking to buy a unit here in Pompano Beach, this will be the best start for you. So we are just steps away from the beach. We are in this area, which it's in between Fort Lauderdale and Boca Raton. If you want more information, I will be very pleased to give it to you. So give me a comment and I will bring you to visit W Pompano Beach